Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lexi, and today's video is a demo and review of the Palmer's BIOTIN new collection that came in my curl box. I don't know if it was the August curl box or the July curl box, but it came in a curl box. It's been a little minute or a lot of minutes since I came on here and did a product review or did a video at all. As you guys know, if you don't know, I have been moving and I have been losing my mind simultaneously with the move and with having to still work, and you know, hurricane almost came through here. So yeah, it was just a lot going on, but I'm back. I'm sitting on my bed. Okay, I'm going to be trying some new filming situations and seeing what I can come up with, and obviously I will have, you know, decorating videos coming up still. I have to do my room still, so there's more coming. I just been a mess, but I have been featured on a few places recently, so I will leave the links in the comment section and in the description box below if you want to see what I've been up to outside of making YouTube content. Let's start the video. My throat is hoarse, it's sore, it's scratchy. If you can tell, it's life. All right. So I did go ahead and shampoo my hair with the Cocoa Butter and BIOTIN Length Retention Shampoo. It's supposed to be a gentle moisturizing cleanser. So I was concerned about this shampoo because usually when things are like length retention or strengthening or with BIOTIN, they tend to be kind of stripping and more like protein based. But this product was actually extremely moisturizing. So this is supposed to be with vitamin E and antioxidants, color safe, no sulfates, parabens, phthalates, mineral oil, gluten, dyes, silicones. So this shampoo was actually bomb. I feel like it actually was a moisturizing shampoo, and I actually had a really good experience with them. I don't really use Palmer's. I don't use Palmer's products at all. I tried one collection a long time ago and I had a trash experience, so I haven't really tried anything from them in a long time. So when this came to my car, I was like, you know, let me try it out for the YouTube, you know, see what's going on, blah blah blah, and I was pleasantly surprised. I will say it just like that. I was pleasantly surprised, child. So then I went in with the Length Retention Conditioner. It's supposed to be instant moisture and softness, vitamin E and antioxidants, and this is a silicone-free conditioner. And I was like, hello, hi, I love silicone-free conditioners. So when I first applied it to my hair, it felt like it didn't really do anything. It felt like it was just sitting on top of my hair. And then as I began to work it in, it worked in. Like it was working in. Like it was saying, hi, okay, let me get up in your little follicles. Let me get up in your little cuticles. Let me get up. It was really like getting up and through my hair. So I feel like I need some time to, I don't know, work in. And then once it worked in, it worked in. And I had good slip and I had good moisture. And when I rinsed it out, my hair felt good, okay? Like I have no complaints from either of these two products. So I was like pleasantly surprised by these two in conjunction. My hair felt amazing. Like it really did. And y'all know I don't be gassing. If you're new here, I don't be gassing no products. So I'm being honest when I say that it really did do good for my hair. I really did love these two in conjunction for my wash day. Mind you, at that point I was in the middle of moving and my hair was dry, it was crusty, it was dirty, it was needing some TLC, and these came through and I was like, oh, brands are really stepping up. That's really how I feel at this point within this whole natural hair space. Cheaper brands, more affordable brands are stepping up and doing whatever they can to keep their costs down and to give you guys what you want. So after I got out of the shower, I went ahead and used the Shine Glaze Serum to seal in that moisture. And the first three ingredients in this are isodicane, I don't know, isopropyl palmitate. Child, the first four are like things I don't know what they are. And then it turns into cocoa seed butter. That's like 5 things down the line. So we already know Palmer's isn't gonna give us like all natural mom and pop, you know, homemade feel. If you do want that, this brand isn't really for you. But if you want to get affordable and a good hair day, this could be for you. Just to be honest, it depends on what you're looking for. So I did seal in with this. It does feel like a serum and not like an oil, which I do like to use serums every once in a while. It does feel nice and smooth and silky, you know, on your hair and on your hands, but it probably isn't going to give you the amazing, you know, benefits of using a natural oil. Like, you know, to me it's a no-brainer. So then I went in with the leave-in conditioner. This is a spray form. It sprays like a makeup setting spray. It's very, very watery. So I don't grab for these type of products unless I'm trying to refresh a puff, you know, or like refresh my nighttime style, whatever, for bed. But I don't grab this on a wash day. This to me is more of a refresher. It behaved like a refresher, but since my hair was already soft and supple from the conditioning process, I did spray this on my hair, and I was actually able to work it into my hair, and it did add softness to my hair. But I would like to use a thicker, more creamier leave-in. Personal preference for my textured hair, but it didn't do anything adverse. It just was like whatever, like it wasn't anything extra that gave me crazy results. So then I went in with the cocoa butter and biotin cream styler. So I don't have definition that a styler would usually give me. I don't have that's pretty much it. But my hair is soft right now. My hair is soft. I've been wearing twists in my hair for at least 3 days, maybe even 4 days. So my hair feels very moisturized and very soft and very supple for it to be this long since I styled it. But I don't have like day one twist out definition. And you might say, oh, you took too long to take your twist out. Pause. No. I can leave my twist in for a week, and if the products I put in it are good for definition, I'm gonna have definition, period. So this to me just isn't the definition pusher isn't as defining as what I'm used to, but it did give me moisture and a good amount of shine, and my hair does feel soft and bouncy. Like, I have no complaints. This twist out looks like day 3 to me, give or take. So that's that. So let's get into, so Lexi, what should I, or what would I, is it what should, I haven't been on YouTube in too long. What would I, Alexia, spend my coins on? I would definitely go ahead and get the conditioner and the shampoo, and I would use that again. Like, if I wanted to pick up something affordable in Target or whatever, I would definitely pick those two up. Although I don't hate the leave-in, I don't hate the styler, they aren't what I would gravitate towards for a twist out or a braid out, so I'm not going to recommend it to you guys. If you have hair like mine, or if you like to have definition, stuff like that, because honestly, once I leave my house right now, it'll be a puffball because it's so soft and fluffy. It won't last that long because this is Miami, so you know, there's that. But that's the whole video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. I don't really have much else to say. I did enjoy using these products all together. I did enjoy how my hair felt, and it actually did a lot of good things for my hair. Like I said, I feel like brands are trying to cater to naturals more and more. We already know this is common sense, by using less chemicals that we don't like, or using more natural oils, or whatever the case might be. But be aware that you can't compare these products to your favorite all-natural mom and pop black-owned brands. Not saying that you have to buy one or the other, but I do feel that don't get fooled by the labeling. They're like, oh, it's all natural, or oh, it's organic, or whatever the case is, because if you compare the ingredients to your favorite products from Honey's Handmade or Chocolate Kinks and Curls or Kinky Tresses, you're not gonna have the same ingredients that are in those that are in these. So just as an FYI, in case my hair's sticking out, in case you want to like compare, you know, it's affordable options. and they actually do try to take out what we don't like. So just bear that in mind. Give the video a thumbs up. It really, really helps me. I've been gone for too long, so my YouTube is like, hey girl, are you still even gonna post anymore? But I am. I'm here. I'm back. Maybe. We'll see. Let me know. Please let me know brands to try in the comment section. I want to shop for some new products because I'm getting bored. So I have a couple of more reviews lined up. I have the Can 2 texture line, which I already tried. Spoiler alert. No spoiler. I'll be quiet. Y'all will see the video comes out. I actually going to do the Pattern Beauty line by Hasty Ellis Ross. I have a lot of things coming up, so just stay tuned, and some more home decor because I haven't done more than one home decor video. If you haven't seen that video, my bathroom decor, I will leave it in the D box, in the I, and whatever. See y'all later. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel because, come on, like, we love an honest review. We love 4C hair. Come on, like, we love dark chocolate skin. Bye guys.